Hello, this is Snom Labs channel showing you an unboxing video about the Snom 715 voice over IP telephone. So I open the gift box. Here we have a quick start guide in different languages, and then we have the phone in a protection bag. So I open this one, and we have one handset, and we have an handset cord. So I remove the protection foil from the handset cord. Then what else do we have? We have the foot stand, also in a bag. A large foot stand with the option to mount it with two different angles. And we have one shielded Ethernet cable here to connect the phone to a network. And there's no power adapter. The power adapter, whenever it is needed, if you don't use the power over Ethernet, then you need to order the power adapter as a separate product. Okay, so before you mount the foot stand, it is recommended to mount the handset cord first. So there's a longer and a shorter end. So attach the longer end to the RJ connector, which shows the handset, and attach the cable to the support here. The other connector is for the headset. This one you can connect after you have mounted the foot stand. So for mounting the foot stand, just slide the foot into the supports. There's a clicking sound, and you have these higher angle, and if you change that to the other one, is the more flat design. Okay, and it can be recommended to attach the Ethernet cable before the foot stand, because that is more convenient for the setup. So here we have the net port. This is the port to be connected to your wall outlet, and then there's a PC port. This is to use the switch function and to connect this one to your PC. And if you don't use power over Ethernet, then you have the power adapter plug in here. So once you have these both connected, mount the foot stand, flip the phone. You can put the cable to the back side of the phone, and then need to mount the handset to the handset cord. Click, put the handset there, and we are ready to go. And we can connect the phone, the cable, the other side of the cable, to earn power over Ethernet switch, and the phone will power up. Thanks for watching Snom Labs channel. Please subscribe our channel.